Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited. I'm going to share with you my killed kit. Now, I think I killed this kit pretty well. So here is what is left, and we're going to go over it together, and some of it's going to go in the bin, and some of it's going to go back into my stash. So, grunge board. I still have an awful lot of this, but honestly, I was not expecting to kill this. I mean, look at all of this. There's a ton of it in there. There might even be 2 packages worth of grunge board in here. I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh yeah, there's more than 1 package of grunge board in here. So we made a little bit there. I have 2 strips of paper left. I have this one which has some airplanes on it. So, you know, this will keep because I will use this. And then I have some rainbow cameras and a plus side. And I think I'm going to keep these and actually fussy cut those out. So I'll have some little camera embellishments left. No arrows left. Used all of those. None of these One Canoe 2 stickers left. All of that is gone. I finished off the Hope and Dream Thickers packet, so everything has gone out of there. I feel like my pile of use-up stuff is going to be much better. This is Patio Party, and I have 2 hashtags and a yeah. That's going in the bin. We're going to call that done. And then I have these stickers, which still has 1 of these bad boys and a couple XOs. So that'll go back. We'll finish those up. On this one, 2 stickers left in this sticker sheet that originally had 14 pieces in it. This was going to go together for a layout about reading. It just didn't happen this time. Everything is done off of here except for a couple butterflies and a rose. I might pop that rose on a layout real quick. But that's going in the bin. I used up a bunch of the months here, so we'll keep that one. Used up this entire thing except for this little house shape. So that's going to go in the bin. An entire sticker sheet used up. Another entire sticker sheet used up. A good amount of this sticker sheet used up. Every chipboard piece except for this selfie piece. So I'm going to pop out the selfie and throw that away. Oh, one little piece of paper. These unforgettable stickers. I mean, there's just a few left. Late afternoon, I probably used about half of the puffy stickers out of there. Another little sheet of paper. Couple labels left. This was from my SCT sampler. Didn't really use that. This came from the SCT sampler. Used a couple of those. Used some of those. Used about half of these. What else is in here? I have 1 flare badge left out of that package. And another completely empty sticker sheet. Another completely empty sheet. I have there were 2 packages of sequins that I wrapped up. I did have a roll of washi that I wrapped up and finished. 2 glitter glazes done. One is Bruce Monroe and one is Ranger, so those are done and gone. Then I have my swatch books left, and not a whole heck of a lot in the swatch books left. So I've got these 2 little fruits left in this one. You know what? Take that. And then these guys. So just a little bit of these swatches left, not a whole whole lot whatsoever. I think there were 4 swatch books at the beginning, and now I'm probably down to the amount that was in one. I still have these. These are just awkward for me to use. I don't know what it is. The hearts just feel a little funky to me, so they're a little bit awkward. I was so close to getting this washi done. Oh, look at that. One more layout and it'll be done. This'll be something I'm going to challenge myself to use up, because one more layout, one more like across the page, and that'll be done. My chipboard shapes, very, very few left now, like super few. I probably used half of those. So still have those. The flowers, didn't use as many as I thought I was going to. And then this bad boy. So this is a sticker book. It's a planner book, but there are a lot of, that's where I colored one because I needed it a different color. But there are a lot of stickers removed from this book. I used a good amount of stickers out of this book, so that makes me happy as well. All right, now usually you guys, I do share the layouts that I make, but my layouts are in 2 separate piles right now. One is for my 100 sketchy video pile where I have them all from when I started on January 31st, and it'll go until May 10th. And then I have another pile of layouts that are waiting for my page protectors to come in so I can start putting them away. So I don't have a layout share for this particular kit, but look at all this. Look at all this that is going. That is no longer going to be in my room, and it's just going to be gone. How exciting is that? So there it is. Thank you so much. And next up should be the kit that I'm going to do for April. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you again real soon for another video.